Hey, we got the E36 doing some repairs today.
Yeah, we're adjusting the E-break.
All right, so we're gonna show you guys how to do that. All right, so we're gonna start. Take off the wheels.
Actually, like, we do have power tools.
All right, guys, so we're gonna do this side first. So
We gotta take the caliper off, and we gotta take the rotor off, and there's a little wheel back there that we can adjust and spread the brake shoes out into the inside of the rotor.
what size is that?
This is a H7. So this is what you will need for the rear brakes on the E36. Fits right in there, nice and snug. Sorry, buddy. Okay, so now we got the caliper off. We're going to take the set screw out. We're going to take the set screw out and pull the rotor off. Actually, I think we need to take this bracket off too. Back here, so that'll be two 17s, I think.
Be a little rusty.
A little rusty, but all you want to do is get in there. So this is a H7, again, same size as the caliper bolts. You just need to get in there, muscle it off just like this. Wrong way. No, it was the right way.
There we go.
Just like that. Movie magic.
Sweet. All right, now we're just gonna smack it out, yeah?
Yep.
Smack it
Get
out.
yourself a rubber mallet. Don't hit your rotor with a metal mallet. Hammer. Beautiful. And then here is that wheel that adjusts it. So we're gonna spin it this way and try to get the pads to come out like that. This way. We'll try that. Go a little more because I want it to feel a little tighter. And if you have a track-only car, you can set this up to where it's dragging a little bit on the rear and you can get a really hard bite when you're pulling the e-brake. But this is going to be a street car, so I'm not going to do that.
And then just repeat the same process for the other side, yeah?
Yep, same process.